Hi guys, it's me again, Lavanya. In the continuation of Unmai Vilakkam, we are going to look at verse number 17. Verse number 17 goes this way: ஓதியிடும் நாளாரும் உற்று ஆன்ம தத்துவம் என்று ஆதி அருள்நூல் அறையும் காண் தீது அறவே வித்யா தத்துவங்கள் தம்மை விளம்பக் கேள் உத்தமனே நன்றா உனக்கு. We need to take this as a recap verse. Basically, whatever we have seen until verse number 16 is given in one single recapped kind of an approach in this particular verse number 17. The Guru is mentioning, based on the agamas, based on the book that was given to us by Lord Shiva himself, which is called as agamas. Based on that book, whatever I told you now until now is called as Anma Tattvam. As I was mentioning yesterday itself, we need to look at some of the technical terms. We really don't have a choice on that. Sorry about that. So we need to get used to some of the technical terms. The first technical term we are getting introduced to is Anma Tattvam. Anma Tattvam is also called as Pokkiya Kandam, or it is also called as Prakriti Tattvam. Now, what do we mean by Pokkiya Kandam? Pokkiyam means leasing. If I want to lease a place, I usually go and talk to the appropriate authorities and get it on lease, right? Similar to that, the 24 Anma Tattvam is leased to us. Can you imagine this skin, this eyes, this nose, the entire system that we are thinking that I am this skin, I am this person, I am whatever it is. These are all leased from the universe. That is the first understanding we need to have. In fact, once we realize this will be the first hit for our ego. We will never ever say I or mine after this, because the clarity is already there. Everything is given to us. We have borrowed it from Lord Shiva. We need to return it back to him in the appropriate manner. So, what do you mean by Anma Tattvam? Anma Tattvam means Pokkiya Kandam, which means the elements that has been leased to us, something that we have borrowed so that we can lead a peaceful life. Now, ஓதியிடும் நாள் ஆறும், 4 times 6, which is 24. உற்று ஆன்ம தத்துவம் என்று ஆதி அருள்நூல் அறையும். The very first book that was given to us, the text that was given to us, the holy verses that was given to us, which we call it as agamas, represent these 24 as Anma Tattvam. Now the next one he says is, after this we are going to continue the lesson with something called as Vidya Tattvam. Now this Vidya Tattvam is very, very important for us to lead, or it helps us to achieve the path of realization, or at least it guides us in a proper manner towards the light. Whatever we have seen until now, the 24 Anma Tattvam is only darkness. Vidya Tattvam will give us a little bit of light. Why do we call it as darkness? Is because we get the earthly pleasures, the worldly pleasures, and we just stay in this pleasure itself, thinking that this is permanent, and then we forget to lead a peaceful life ever after. How do we get this clarity? That is where Vidya Tattvam will give us a better understanding. Now, this particular 24 Tattvam is handled by a very, very senior person called as Srikanda Uruthirar. His name is Srikanda Uruthirar. He is the one who takes care of all the Anma Tattvam. So he is the guiding deity or presiding deity for this 24 Anma Tattvam. Now let's do a small recap of what are the 24 Anma Tattvam before we start thinking about or discussing about the next song which will be on the Vidya Tattvam. We have spoken about 24 Anma Tattvam. The first one we saw was the 5 elements, and we all know what are the 5 elements. We also call it as the Panchabhutas, which is earth, water, fire, air and space. Apart from that, we also spoke about the 5 senses, which we call it as Pulan. 5 senses, which is smell, taste, light, touch and smell. Sound, touch and sound. The next one we spoke about was the 5 sense organs, and that is nose, tongue, eyes, skin and ears. We also spoke about 5 functional organs, which is mouth, legs, arms, excretionary system and reproduction system. And also we spoke about 4 internal organs, which is mind, intellect, ego and subconscious mind. Now with this we are concluding Anma Tattvam. Tomorrow we will talk about, or we will discuss about the next verse, which will be on Vidya Tattvam. Until then, bye bye.